Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to crochet this classic Christmas hat. This is a very easy and beginner friendly project. And you can make this into any size. I change color in every 2 rounds. So in this video, I'm also going to show you how to change color without cutting yarn. At the top of the hat, you can leave as it is or use a pom-pom or tassel like what I did. Also, the writing pattern is available. The link is in the description box. For this project, I'm using acrylic yarn. You'll also need a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and maybe a stitch marker. Before we begin, this is my crochet ring. It is to help you to ease the pain on the finger, so the yarn is not pulling your finger. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. I'll have the link in the description box along with the materials. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, we are going to make a magic circle. So grab hold onto the tail, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Insert the hook under the first loop, pull through the working yarn and twist. Yarn over, pull through the working yarn through the loop. And there's your magic circle. From here, 1 chain. To begin round 1, place 6 half double crochet into the magic circle. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. That's 1. Again, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. 2. 3. 4. 5. And last one, 6. To close the circle, just pull the tail. To join the round, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch. If you don't know which one is the first stitch, you can always count backward. And I normally like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain. And to begin round 2, place a half double crochet into the seam stitch. If you are a beginner, you probably would like to place a marker on this stitch. On the next stitch, also place a half double crochet. Half double crochet. Basically, for this round, we're placing a half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, you still have the same number of stitches. And last one. 6. This is a fake stitch, so we do nothing with. Flip this from inside out. Slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain and pull up the loop. Round 3, this is the part we're going to change color. Insert your hook into the first stitch, which is the same stitch where we just placed the slip stitch. After we insert the yarn, insert the hook into the same space, pull through, and 1 chain to begin. In the same stitch, place a half double crochet. Increase in the next stitch, so place 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. half double crochet, increase, 1 and 2, half double crochet, increase. It might be a little bit difficult to work with at the beginning, but trust me, it will get easier. By the end of the round, there are 9 stitches. From here, to join the round, bring the wet yarn inward and slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain. To begin round 4, place a half double crochet into the same stitch and place a half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, we still have 9 stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From here, join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain and pull up the loop. To begin round 5, we're going to change color again. So from here, insert the hook into the first stitch where we just placed the slip stitch. And place the red yarn onto the hook and pull through. One chain to begin. Place a half double crochet in 2 stitches. 1, 2. Increase, so place 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Half double crochet into 2 stitches. 1, 2. Increase, and this is the repeat of the round. There'll be a total of 12 stitches. To join the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain and begin the next round. Place a half double crochet into every stitch. And by the end of the round, you still have the same number of stitches, or 12 stitches. At the end of the round, join the round by slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain and pull up the loop. To begin round 7, we are changing color again. Insert the hook into the first stitch where we just placed the slip stitch. Place the white yarn onto the hook and pull through. One chain to begin. Place a half double crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Increase on this stitch. 1, 2. Place a half double crochet in 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Increase 1 and 2. So repeat this until the end. By the end of the round, there will be a total of 15 stitches. Slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. One chain. To begin round A, place a half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, you still have the same number of stitches, of 15. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain and pull up the loop. To begin round 9, insert your hook into the first stitch. Place the red yarn onto the hook and pull through. One chain to begin. Place a half double crochet into 4 stitches. One, 2, 3, 4. Increase 1, 2. The repeat is place a half double crochet into 4 stitches, then increase. By the end of the round, there will be a total of 18 stitches. To join the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. One chain. Then, place a half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, you still have the same number of stitches of 18. So the pattern is pretty straightforward, and I'm not going to show you the rest of it. We are increasing at every other round by 3 stitches, followed by a half double crochet into every stitches all around, and alternate the color. So continue with the pattern and stop increasing until the hat fits around the head, and we'll begin the next part. I just finished 154 with 84 stitches, and the hat fits my head. From here, half double crochet into every stitch for 4 rounds. If you are making this for a baby or little kid, and you probably want to make 2 or 3 rounds of half double crochet instead. After 4 rounds of half double crochet, I slip stitch 1 chain. Basically from here, I don't need the red yarn anymore. So I insert my hook into the first stitch and pull through the white yarn and 2 chains. From this round and onward, I'm placing a double crochet into every stitch. However, I'm placing into the back loop. The back loop is the far away loop from us. And a double crochet is yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So go ahead and place a double crochet into the back loop on every stitch. At the end of the round, slip stitch into the first stitch. Two chains, 1, 2, and repeat the last round. Place a double crochet into the back loop of every stitch, and we'll be repeating this one 4 times. If this is for a baby or a little kid, and you probably want to stop after 2 or 3 rounds of double crochet. After 5 rounds of double crochet, and this gives me about 2 inches wide, you can make more or less rounds. To begin the next part, I have already joined around 1 chain. And now I'm adding 1 more chain, so 2 chains. From here, we are going to insert the hook into the front loop of the previous round, which is the ones over here. Place 3 double crochet into the first front loop. 1, 2, 3. Place 3 double crochet into this stitch. 1, 2, 3, and place 3 double crochet into every stitch on the front loop. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, we're going to carry through with the 3 double crochet into the front loop on this stitch right here. One, 2, 3. And 3 double crochet into every stitch for a total of 4 rounds. At the end of the 4th round, on the last stitch, cut yarn, use a yarn needle, and fasten off the tail. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked today's project. Please comment below to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!